I have had a very interesting life. So that's kept me on my toes, so to speak. Look, I know about the bad, but I choose to think about the good. And life is very beautiful. I think the sexual revolution began with the car. And first of all, people were able to be private in the back of a car. There was a wonderful, awful expression, a news of the world expression, which used to make us always laugh when I was at Oxford. Intimacy took place in the back of a car. And I always thought that was when the revolution began. I mean, I'm not a great one for monogamy. Being a bit famous can be corrupting. And I think it probably doesn't corrupt you when you're old, whereas it might if you were young. I think, you see, if you're young and you become very well known and everyone goes and says, oh, you're an inspiration and all these things they do say, you start believing them. It makes you arrogant, probably. And if you're old, it really just seems like a joke most of the time. I find that I don't really know what I think about something until I've started writing about it. And then it comes out. I almost write to discover what I think. A lot of people say, how do I start writing? Well, if you don't start, it means you don't really want to do it. Do it.